Hello and welcome to the daily number workout. Today is fifth grade's number 83 out of our 100 days of the daily number workout. So let's start off with our word form, which is, 83. And because it ends with the 3, it is an odd number. Let's go for factors. So we have 1 times 83 works. 2 doesn't go in because it's an odd number. 3 does not go in evenly. 4 does not go in evenly because it's an odd number. 5 doesn't because it doesn't end with a 0 or a 5. 6 doesn't go in because it's not even. 7 does not go in. 8 does not go in. 9 doesn't go in because if you add these up, 8 plus 3 is 11 plus, and then you say 1 plus 1 is 2, so that doesn't work. So guess what, folks? 1 and 83 is the only factors of 83, so it is prime. All right, let's do our multiples. First one is 83 times 1 is 83. Let's do 83 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. So we have 166. 83 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 8 is 24. So we have 249. 83 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 is 33. 302. 83 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Drop the 5, carry the 1. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. 415. Ooh, look at that. 411 there. 400. I'm going to put that over top. If I mess up like that, I got to fix it. 83 times 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Drop the 8, carry the 1. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 1 is 49. 498. 7 83s. 7 times 3 is 21. Drop the 1, carry the 2. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 2 is 58. So we have 581. 83 times 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Drop the 4, carry the 2. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 2 is 66. So we have 664. 83 times 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Drop the 7, carry the 2. 9 times 8 is 72, plus that 2 is 74. So we have 747. And then 10 times any number is that number with a 0 in the ones place. So we're done with our multiples. So hopefully you're just checking yours off, filling in, correcting, and moving on to fractions, decimals, percents, and ratios. So here we go. Get that up and running. So we have 83 out of 100 days of the daily number workout. And since 83 does not go into 100, that is in lowest terms. And our decimal would be 83 hundredths, 0 and 83 hundredths. Our percent would be 83%. And our ratios are 83 to 100 or 83:100. That 3 is not the best, but you see it. All right, let's write the words here. 83 hundredths, the good old TH, part of a number, fraction of a number. Then our decimal is 0 and 83 hundredths. And remember, when we're talking decimal, the last word of the number is where it ends. So it's ending in the hundredths place value. This is the tenths place value. This is the ones. So that's always the last one. Let's go on to our dollars. So it's $0.83. And we're done with our fractions, decimals, percents, ratios, money. Let's move on to our wonderful 83 by 1. So this would be area equals 83 times 1, which equals 83 square units. And our perimeter for this would be an 83 plus 1 plus 83 plus 1 equals, and we know 83 plus 83 is 166, plus 2 more is 168 units. Units are linear, we just have units. So this would be 83 plus this one, plus 83 plus this one. All right, let's go on to our volume. And we're going to do the same with this. 83 by 1 by 1. So volume equals 83 by 1 by 1, which equals 83 cubic units. Then we will have 1 by 83 by 1 equals 83 cubic units. So we're just writing it out in all the different sequences we can have, or it's going to be a 1 by 1 by 83 equals 83 cubic units. All right. And because we only have 2 different numbers, there's only 3 ways to do it. So this would be stand it up, turn it on its side, making this the face, the front face instead of this one. All right, we're done with the number 83. It's a prime number, so there's not much we can do with it. Have a great day.